It sounds like Sallah. Indeed, there is something that troubles me. The ark. If it is the Ratanis, then it is something that man was not meant to disturb. Death has always surrounded it. It is not of this earth. Indeed, why does the floor move? Asps, very dangerous. You go first. Indeed, you have no time if you still want the ark. It is being loaded onto a truck from Cairo. How? Bad dates. Oh, my friends, I'm so pleased you're not dead. Positive. They're digging in the wrong place. How? My services are entirely inconsequential. To them, they hired or Shanghaied every digger in Cairo. The excavation is enormous. They hire only strong backs and pay pennies for them. It's as if the pharaohs have returned. There is no museum in Iskandundemed. Papers, of course, run. Papers, you got it, just finished reading it myself. Run. Egyptian Mail Morning Edition. Run. Run. That car was my brother-in-law's. Compensation for my brother-in-law's car. Please, what does it always mean? This Junior. The dog? You are named after the dog? As you enter the chamber of destiny, do not look into the eyes of the idol.